Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy Stroker 450 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection on there for our customer's 1971 Malibu. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Started with the late model block, 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, roller lifter cam installed. We have the new timing cover, brand new balancer, aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, Taylor ignition wires made in USA, all the wire markers installed, brass freeze plugs, proper oil pan for the 71 Malibu, customer requested the chrome, polished intake manifold, thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed. We even have the extra coolant ports for any extra sensors need to be installed. We have the Holley Sniper fuel injection on there. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll see the video of your engine running in the stand. All the settings be set on the menu screen on the Holley Sniper. You'll see in the video manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Timing will be completely set, so the engine will be ready to go, and you'll have total confidence when you install the engine that'll be 100% perfect. We also installed the throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, throttle bracket, MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor, that's real important for firewall clearance, proper flex plate, tooth count and balance, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, all the fuel lines are run, heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filters installed, all the loop clamps, AN fittings going up to the Holley Sniper. We have the alternator installed, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, high flow aluminum water pump, GM power steering pump on there, all set, tension's done. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.